Hello, my name is Ladonovan Wilder, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about interpersonal communication and different management strategies and communication strategies that are effective. And I'm going to shine some light on Google Inc., which I feel is a good representation of the strategies that other companies should try and implement. And looking into the facts, first and foremost, Google Inc. is one of the companies who is at the top of the totem pole right now. They're number one according to Business Insider's 2016 list of best companies to work for in America, and their management strategies is targeted toward coaching and using tactics to increase customer production and employee satisfaction. And they're using methods that would be appealing and pleasing to work in as far as the environment and the communication strategies. So looking into the ethical issues that corporations usually face in their communication, the biggest flaw is often in interpersonal communication, such as the noise and the messages and the feedback and the communicator's method of whether it's a one-way or a two-way communication. Employees don't usually respond well to just being a one-way process. They like to, feel that their input and things that they have to contribute are being valued. And Google Inc. offers them options like that. So they're doing practices such as collaboration with the experts that work at Google through these things called Tech Talks, where they give presentations to the employees, and then the employees get to pick their brains and work with them side by side. And they offer this thing called the 80-20 policy of how they allocate their work. And so the employees get to dedicate 20% of their work time to things that are of projects that they are interested in. And for the 80% of the time, they're dedicating it to work that Google wants them to work on. And this type of strategy of management and giving more independence and trying to give them what they need in order to get the best output from them. And so they're helping individuals instead of hindering individuals. They're allowing the critical thinkers that they get coming through the door to thrive and to apply their skill sets in an independent manner as well as a collective manner. And to relate this to basketball, looking at an article from Brian Skinner, who looked into shot selection and how people in basketball try to figure out the best shot opportunity on the court. My coach uses a strategy of a majority 80% dedication to team related and team involvement to get the best shot and to get the job done. But he also lets us know that it will be important for us to create for ourselves and to try and pursue opportunities on the court to score individually using our own skill sets. And so this allows us to be happy at the workforce, and this management strategy is effective because we're able to feel good about the contributions that we're making to the company instead of him only using his system and his tactics he's allowing us to get involved and to have an input on a personal skill set level, which is enjoyable and not fun. And also shining more light on Google's tactics. They're using alternatives such as the collaboration methods and the tech talks, and looking into their motto, the CEO Sundar Pichai says that they're looking for a diverse mix of voices, which will lead to better discussions, decisions, and outcomes for everyone. And Google Inc.'s methods, I feel, are necessary because they offer a different norm and mindset for the association at the workforce. They're offering different benefits and options, such as like gourmet food and workout facilities, and these are just perks that contribute to the job satisfaction. But the most important is the management strategies of not micromanaging and of not being hovering over their employees and giving them trust and letting them know that they value their input and that they are welcoming their creativity. And so this may be tough for other companies to carry out because they might not have the access to the equally skilled employees that Google has, but I feel that this isn't an excuse for them not to implement good management strategies, because if you give employees an opportunity to be independent and to show that they have the skill sets to contribute, and you actually uplift them and try to support their ideas instead of dictating to them and letting them know your side of things and having a one-way communication outlet, they should implement the strategies that Google Inc. is using, and this will help for job satisfaction. And if I had a chance to work for a company like Google, I would definitely take advantage of the opportunities and the values that they have to create more opportunities for myself and to learn from the experts that are there, and to thrive in the work environment. So I hope you liked the video, and thank you for your time.